What's up, YouTube? Stony Boulevard Kid here. Today, I ain't gonna do much talking. Just got a little video for y'all. Everybody remembers this. Everybody knows who it is. That's what I have to say about it. Bye-bye, Bad Wolf. Keep talking your shit. Keep trying to start shit. I don't give no fuck. Because guess what? You ruined it between us, bro. You and Jenny. We were friends. And then when I took up for my best friend and stood on his side, you turned against me on some fuckery. So fuck you both. And fuck Bad Wolf.